please settle down. Then, so, ang meaning nga niya is, di ba, kanang aware mata, nga sa basic education, which is the elementary, na sila ay kanang, namin mga private nga institution, which is cater of mga kanang estudyante, kanang persons with disabilities. So, it is mandated here in this law that it is not just in basic education, but it includes the higher, which is tertiary education. Na if na college student na with special needs, na institution na cater na not just elementary, but in higher grades also, and of course in post-secondary institution. So, muna hindi ko sabot na. The next is the RA 9442 or the amendment of RA 727 or privileges to PWDs. How about Miss Melanie? I think na tama-tapan niya. Marvin. Because I can see that you are not listening. What? Kanang sa mong pasabtan sa definition. Like your short understandings ra.
2% discount.
Unsa man nga ilahang mga bayaran na sila discount.
Pasabot ang 20% discount privilege to PWDs is tanan nila nga ipalit-paliton ang mo kaos na restaurant,
Sila black card.
na sila ay kanang hotel mo, mukha sila hotel, na sila 20% discount. Bulong sila resort, na sila 20% discount. Mupalit sila sa mga supermarket, na sila 20% discount. Sa mga malls, tanan nga ilang paliton, asa ka na mupalit sila, na sila 20% discount. If di sila tagaan, then pwede sila makatag sa, pwede sila kasuhan, kaya na may law. Kaya, if once sila tagaan din sila, 20% discount. And it doesn't, sa term ng 20% discount, naka-feel ba mo nga it's unfair to us?
Wow.
So, dapat dito na makafeel ha nga unfair. Kaya sa ilang sitwasyon, mas naglisod mo sila. O, naglisod sila sa nila. Especially, if naka-witness na o may family na sila anak o first grader. Grabe, lisod yun tayo ang sitwasyon. Muna, we shouldn't compare ourselves to them. Because sila kung ganit, no, kanang, they're thriving. Naningkamot ka mabuhi. Despite sa ilang differences, despite sa ilang abilities. So, we shouldn't feel na unfair ka ng 20% discount. Kaya ihatan ng nato nila. And change from Magna Carta for disabled persons to Magna Carta for PWD persons. It's because, one yung term ito, manong, kinsay mga tao reason na nung gitawa, instead of disabled persons, PWD na persons with disability. I'll give additional points. Ano man say rason nga nung PWDs, anong i-change sa disabled persons to PWD? Additional points. Yes, please stand up, Miss Laura Peck.
So, in my opinion, it was changed from Magna Carta for disabled person to Magna Carta for people with disabilities because when you say disabled person, we can think that that person cannot literally use his or her body to work like the person is something like bedridden tao, disabled to disabilities is maski makalihog gamay or na. But if we say that people with disabilities is kanang na di ba ang impairments is mao tong pagkawala sa kamot na. While the disabilities is the pagawag ability nga isa na sinabot na rin mga certain things na dili sa mahimo. So people with disabilities is makalihog sila sa ubang mga utang pero na yung mga certain things na limited sila pero that person is still able, not disabled.
But isa may another answer. I want the specific 3 points ra, Laura.
Thank you so much.
I think the exact right? The exact reason
It's just a 3-word reason.
one is the karang lang gitawag nila as political term to avoid discrimination dito sa pagtawag nila. Oh.
Ay, kunya 8 months ah. I-exact. Pakita na. Ay, wala. Kasi another reason to avoid Toloran lang na siya. Sir? Yeah. I can't believe that he didn't remember it.
I think it's in it's a city.
Yeah. What do you call that?
The term was first person language.
It's person. It's people first.
Sakto kaya.
Yeah.
It's about
Ako sabot na ako na-explain. Kuya na kami. Five. Ay, gagali. 5 points na to si Joyce. Ang tawag siya, people first language kaya you have to separate the person with his or her disability. No. Person with disabilities. And if na may problem sa eyes, person with eye disability. Person with hearing impairment. Person with walking impairment. Because we should separate the person from his disability. Dito, label ta, but we have to separate him. So, next is, kasi what do you mean by public ridicule or vilification? Dito yung nakasabot ng public ridicule and vilification.
Binawangan sa public.
Mocking. Kabantay mo,
Oo.
for example, sa classroom setting, di man ito kalikayan na sa high school, sa elementary, na doon ay mga student, ganun pa sila kasabot, it's not very different from them. Kanang na yung, kuhan na kanang, if not say, kanang malisong storya. Di ba kanang, imo pa yung like, imo daw, you have to imitate kung saan yung bibuhat. Pero siyang suwat, imo siyang paingka, imo na, alam mo, siyang aging, ano sa niyang aging. So that is public ridicule and vilification. If masakpan ganit ka, na imo nang gibuhat sa classmate or a teacher doing that to the student, then you can be sued. Like, after siya na aming law. Next is the issuance of person with disabilities identity. Yes, ano na yung pasaport identification card. Kasi purpose identification card. Identify person discount. Very person discount. Sa pauban. Privilege. Arpo, di ba? Na yung mga tao, reality, na yung mga tao na gamitan ang disability as an excuse. Kanang what's your disability ba? Di ba? Kanang malisan ko, ano yung kita? Imo dapat kanang priority ko. Mana di ba? It's not, ato na yung practice nga, di siya mako. Like, kanang anong gamiton man yung disability, aron ma-prioritize ka. Di ba, di na siya mako. That's why there's identification card. Ma-proven nga na yung disability. So, that's the purpose of this law. And next is Republic Act 10070, implementing rules and regulations. How about Miss Cherify? Sino mo nasabi na ni? And if you didn't need to explain harder, we didn't have better examples.
So this law is for establishing mga rules and regulations for those mga establishments in every province, city, and municipality for those mga persons with disability.
Okay, so even in sa mga localities, like mga schools sa mga localities, dapat tagaan na sila o respective ito nga place or respective, for example, one room for them. Ano ba mas di ba ma-feel nila nga na different sila, but ma-feel nito sila nga at least, ma-feel sila nga galingon nga ani ko sa bilong. Di ka na feel nila mga, uy, lami ka nila. That's the specific na room, aron ma-feel pa nila sila galingon nga. Hindi ako nag-iisa, ka na nga Okay na? Pwede na example. That's what that muna iba. Ito yung example ni Medina. I'll give additional point. Real life
Nakitaan ko siya ni congressman niya pag gumawa siya IT course niya, pag gumawa niya biskwila, giwan siya kanang gitagaan siya opportunity ni congressman gitagaan siya og trabaho nga. Pero gipasok bitaw siya largo sa Congressional Library sa Balihan. Largo siya gitagaan siya kanang service niya kanang world card.
Okay. Oh, so that's the best example sa i-practice sa Philippines nga sa tanan nga mga public nga mga kanang pwede mo ka ma-hirean if nas like dapat mag-reserve sila isa ka bangko for that disability or the 1% sa kapag sa tanang nang apply or na isa ka disability syempre credit mo isa ka na disability mo na ikuha ng RA 1075. So RA 1075 for an act disability benefit.
Labi na mga kuan.
What do you mean by what?
Mga pangpatay nga wapo like mga call center, mga factory, okay, factory. Kana nang tre okay ra sila basta IT, basta way to be sa kamot.
Diba? Ato na ihatag sa mga tao. Ato mo na sila sa mga So next is the Culture Definition. MC number 2017 explains lanes for minimalities in all commercial and government establishments. So sa kanina kung related naman isa atong first bitaw nga kuan nga law which is commercial and government establishment katong provide og mga lamps, di ba katong mga establishment nga kuan sa mga persons with disabilities. And RA 1128 which is all PWDs shall be automatically covered by National Health Insurance Program of the PhilHealth, and the PhilHealth shall develop exclusive packages for PWDs that will address the specific health needs. So, if maduol na sila sa PhilHealth na sila yung mga needs na makater, at matabangan ko sila nga ma-rehab kung sa manang naan nila nga disability. So, for the obstruction. So I want you to stand up, but I'm gonna throw the question first. Why are these laws significant as a future educator? Why? What is the reason? Why do you think these laws are significant as a future educator? As a future educator. Miss Pia? Ano important? Why are these laws significant as a future educator?
I think as a future educator, we should, these laws that we have discussed is important because for us to have an idea on how we will treat the disabled PWDs inside the classroom setting, especially that we are a future teachers so that we can know how we will treat them like equal and
Thank you, Miss Tia. And the next question is this. What's your stand about the laws made but not properly practiced? What's your stand about the laws made but not properly practiced or implemented and take it in the classroom context? Malik, what's your stand about the laws made but not properly practiced or implemented and take it in the classroom context? Okay, Miss Cornell, because una ko siya nag-chance kanina, so I will give her a chance to explain herself. What's your stand about the laws made but not properly practiced or implemented and raised and take it in the classroom context? What's your stand about the laws made but not properly practiced or implemented and take it in a classroom context? Like, for example,
My stand,
yeah.
and then yours it.
So
my stand about that is, what's the use of what's the use of designing a
Panorama
law
mo, ako nakita.
without applying it or without implementing it, right? Because the intended purpose of having that law is to implement it so that it will be useful. It will be useful in sa unsay gusto na nga i-address, right? For example, sa classroom context, mga law na wala na
I'll wait for you because walang pinanawin ka nyo. So, ikaw is pati maaari ang example or just nag-yoyo-yoyo ka na since ka idea. So,
my stand is that I want to without example, our stand is when he has a choice, it means that it is being created because it's being implemented. It was being implemented. It's just that the people were not practicing it enough to make it it's just that it's the people who has a lack of or not enough, their way of practicing it is not enough to make it more effective. So it is not the law that should be changed or that should be improved. It is the mindset of the people. Because no matter how beautiful the law is or how we think of the law, if the people is not didn't follow it or keep importance to it, then
So sa akong kapatang question, ang ako na nung na to is, kanang, we have to be effective. Kanang kung unsa itong nakuha nga, if there's law, as a future educator, we have to do it, or we have to implement it, and we have to act upon it. Wherein, those persons with disabilities will not feel like they are different. And in what way? In what way? Siguro, just like what I mentioned earlier, respect. Next is acceptance. Next is valuing them. And yes, to tolerate them. Because the labels na ganina different, we have to accept it. Okay? So as a future educators, that's our challenge. That's our responsibility that we have to act upon it. Since the laws, all we have to do is implement it. So I'm hoping that all of us here in our future endeavors, if we will meet persons with disabilities, we'll able to accept it as part of understanding what really is inclusion and diversity. So for the assessment, all of you will read.
Take a picture that it is found in the book.
So it is for the chapter 2 and the report, and you have to consider that please don't involve AI in answering. Okay? I know that we are all taboo, so that's all for today, and thank you for your cooperation. Yes, you can tolerate
Paki ba?